Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you two signature editions of the Sunskin Stilo. These Stilo pens have been designed in collaboration with master tattoo artists Carli Jarlier and Matteo Pasqualin, so let's take a closer look. The Sunskin Stilo is a high quality tattoo pen that can be used for lining, shading and colour packing, and is compatible with all major cartridge brands that feature a Cheyenne type connection. With very little vibration and a silent operation, the Stilo is a comfortable machine to work with, especially over long tattooing sessions. The body of the Stilo measures 115 by 25mm and is made from a solid aluminium alloy, which helps to keep the weight of the machine down to just 130 grams. The combination of the titanium mechanism inside and the 6.3 watt German-made motor gives you plenty of power, as well as a nice and soft yet accurate hit. We recommend that you run your Stilo between 5 and 13 volts for optimum performance. Sunskin Stilo pen comes with a 1.9 meter long RCA cord in the box, as well as 3 interchangeable and autoclavable grips, 2 aluminium and 1 steel. The different sizes and shapes of the grips will allow you to choose one that best suits your style and way of working. So how do these signature edition models differ from the original Stilo pens? The main differences are in regards to needle depth adjustments, stroke length and colour. While the standard Sunskin Stilos offer adjustable needle depth up to 4.3mm, the needle depth of your cartridges attached to the signature editions can be adjusted up to 3mm. Perhaps the most important difference is the stroke length. The original Sunskin Stilo offers a 4mm stroke length, while the signature editions have shorter strokes that were specifically chosen by Thomas and Matteo. For the signature edition of the Stilo, French tattooist Carli Jarlier chose a 3.4mm stroke for its versatility, perfect for colour, black and grey and opaque grey renders. On the other hand, Italian tattoo artist Matteo Pasqualin opted for an even shorter 2.5mm stroke for its ability to excel in the creation of realistic black and grey tattoos. When creating these types of tattoos, artists primarily use water, with only a small percentage of diluted ink in it, therefore making it unnecessary to push a dense pigment under the skin. This in turn reduces penetration and permits layering, like with a pencil drawing, without irritating the skin too much and allowing for faster and better healing. In addition, a shorter stroke length also considerably improves detailed work with fine round liners and shaders. The final difference between the standard and signature edition Stilos is the colour. Sunskin's original pen style rotary is available in satin grey and pearly pink, while Thomas's version is black and gold and Matteo's is all black. Each of the models we have here today also come adorned with their respective artist's signature on the body of the machine. Made in Italy, both of the Sunskin Stilo signature editions are available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. We've also left a link in the description to our previous review of the standard Stilo pen, so make sure to check that out too. Now that you've seen the Sunskin Stilo signature editions, what do you think? Will you be picking up the Carli Jarlier or Matteo Pasqualin version? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.